Hi everybody and welcome back to Invest Naturally. Today we are going to do a DIY, so let's get on to it. The material I used was a discarded cardboard, gold spray paint, grayish felt fabric, corkboard, a glue gun, a pair of scissors, and gold washi tape. To get started, you will need your base. Now you can use any type of cardboard or any material you would like to use. This is what I had on hand. And as you can see, it contained its own bulletin board and whiteboard. This was not mine, this was my roommate's, and I decided to use this to create my bulletin board with material I had on hand at home. Once you have selected your base, we're going to move on to the spray paint. So I had gold spray paint on hand and all I did was spray paint the inside and outside edges. No need to waste perfectly good spray paint on areas no one will ever see. Let the spray paint dry. Once the paint has dried, you're going to need your corkboard, fabric of choice, your glue gun, and your pair of scissors. Make sure your scissors are fabric scissors. This will make the project go by so much easier and have smoother cuts along the fabric. Now time to arrange the corkboard and fabric to the position that you would like and works best for you. Before making any cuts, I highly recommend placing the fabric over the cardboard and placing the corkboard on top of the fabric. This will help reduce the potential mistakes you may create while cutting. Once you found the layout that works best for you, it's now time to make that first cut. Now you could just go ahead and hot glue your corkboard right on top of your fabric, but I didn't want that bulky look, and I also did not want to use perfectly good fabric that no one will ever see. So instead what I did was I still had the corkboard laying on top of the fabric and went ahead and cut along where the corkboard had ended. Once I had finished doing that step, I moved on to cutting off the excess edges where the cardboard had ended. Wow, it looks like we're all done. Don't forget to glue everything down. Grab your glue gun and start gluing. You'll notice that I do have 2 extra pieces on the edge. That was because I cut a little too much. Remember when I said you want to make sure to avoid as many mistakes as possible? Now what I did was I glued those small pieces first and then I glued the other pieces down so that everything would look more cohesive. And you can sort of tell, but don't worry. Once we finished hot gluing everything down, I grabbed my washi tape to cover up those raw edges, and it looked so much better, especially from far away. Up close, you can still tell that this is quote-unquote trash, but overall, it looks amazing. What do you guys think? Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.